off so easy.
You want pitbike, Cal?
Yeah. Hey, can I sit there?
Mm-hmm.
25 hours. What are you doing? Your bike? Off the stickers. Here's this guy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, after you fell right.
So windy and cold up today. What?
$100. First thing Aiden does when he walks in.
Is that all you got?
No, I got it.
Jax, move. Move.
Why is it so grimy?
New pegs. New pegs.
You make them custom.
I could have passed you on the outside, but I didn't.
No, I said inside.
Yeah, you would have been.
Got a pizza. Thanks, Blaine.
Supercross. Supercross.
Got Supercross and drive.
I would have
Good to do some pit bikes. You got these pegs on?
I don't like it. Yeah, I kind of get nervous.
P6.
What are your thoughts on that last race? What are your thoughts on your performance? How do you think you can
I was
improve?
pushing pretty hard, following Jackson pretty hard, getting roosted pretty bad, but I passed him about 2 times, but I kept making small mistakes that set me back.
How are you
Other
going to
than
improve
that, I
on
had a
this
good
next race?
I had a good race.
How are you going to improve on this next race?
Try to stay more smooth, and yeah, I don't think we're going to go over there anymore because it's pretty muddy.
What are your thoughts on that last
I
race?
was cooking through there.
Well, win. Very muddy to start. I was probably P3, but I had the inside advantage. Got it good. Jax was on me for a little bit. Made a little gap happen.
Was there any pressure when he was on you?
Yeah, a lot of pressure.
Were you nervous at all?
I can make a lot of mistakes back there in the mud, but
What are you going to improve on this next race?
just keep it up.
Keep it up.
Hopefully win. Hopefully we don't do this mud. I don't think we're doing the mud, so it won't be as bad.
Yeah, we're going to keep it on this short track. Snow's coming down. It's pretty cold out here. This guy, no idea what he's got going on.
Also, weather report started snowing mid-moto. I noticed that.
Yeah, he's got goggles. He's got a little advantage here. Everybody else running no goggles.
Fresh meat besides me.
I have no clutch.
Tired pretty bad too.
No clutch. Holy. Are you going to give this thing a wash before next race, or what are your thoughts?
No, running money.
You're running it muddy.
Dude, one of the times you got stuck in that so bad.
Stock, completely stock, bone stock.
Bone stock, but he is sponsored by Nitro Circus FXR.
The last time I was cooking through there though. I just kept up the gallon.
Clean that off.
Up that hill,
Hey, what are you gonna?
Yeah, so this is just like.
That was just a heat race. So he gets first gate pick, second gate pick, third gate pick, fourth gate pick, fifth gate pick, and he is gonna be a filmer, I think, next one.
Hey, what'd you get off the whole start? You get anyone?
I think, I don't know. I was like even with a few people.
Should we go?
Devin, Bell, find out Tim. Hey, Bell.
Respecting the wreck.
Next time I might have to run those after the back.
It's a bar's turn.
That's so fun. You fell right in front of you. Right before the double, I think. Is that a little...
Devin, pack the backside too.
Hey yo, Sap, what's good, bruh? This man's kinda high out here. Hey yo, the flyest motherfucker in the room, yeah, you know it's me. Bitches hating on him cause he started out here locally. Hopefully, I'll be at the top soon. For now, I'm at my house, on the couch, watching cartoons. You know how much you love it when you get it in abundance. Give a fuck about a budget when you always be the subject of discussion. But it's nothing when you stop and just say fuck it. Cause you walking out in public and you hear him talking rubbish. I just wanna ride through the city in a cutlass. Find a big butt bitch somewhere, get my nuts kissed. That's the way it goes when you party just like I do. Bitches on my dick that used to brush me off in high school. Take over the world when I'm on my Donald Trump shit. Look at all this money, ain't that some shit? Take over the world when I'm on my Donald Trump shit. Look at all this money, ain't that some shit? We gon' take over the world while these haters getting mad. That's why all my bitches bad. They see this crazy life I have in A&R. We gon' win, you can take the lose or draw. What I'm in, got these hoes who used to play me in they bras. We gon' take over the world while these haters getting mad. Take over the world, watch these haters get mad. That's why all my bitches bad. They see this crazy life I have. Hop into the car and then we take them to the pad. It's the best. And motherfuckers think they know me, but they never met the kid. Style come with excellence and money make benevolence. Irrelevant for the fuckers who never been intelligent. I kill my handy, break the bottle for the hell of it. Tell a bitch that she better bring her friends. And if she want an autograph, she better bring a pen. Yeah, the party never end. This life is what I recommend. And if you gotta hope it for me, then she better be a 10. I ain't picky, but these girls be acting tricky when the situation's sticky and the liquor got them silly. But I take over the world when I'm on my Donald Trump shit. Look at all this money, ain't that some shit? We gon' take over the world while these haters getting mad. That's why all my bitches bad. They see this crazy life I have in A&R. take off. So high I cannot see. 8 off, now I got these rappers all breaking up a sweat. Cause every time I get up on the mic I come correct. And I learned it from the best, always dressing something fresh. Looking for a little dime, big button, nice chest. Yes, they heard I used to rock Guess, but now I'm rocking clothes that ain't in the stores yet. Travel back in time, I'm in a vortex, trying to make it work out, think I need more reps. Used to take a bus, now the boy board jets. Cause kids got me bustin' like a fucking hornet. They say I got next, tell them that I got now. It's all Disney, boy, my family proud. Make them say L, make them say O. The hoes that tell me yes, the same ones that tell you no. Whoa, I ain't just an average Joe, way above the average flow. Boy, my life is most dope.
No matter